As part of our ongoing commitment to offer best advice to both IBA members and you, the public at large, we want to offer you an insight into why using a broker for your insurance needs may be the best option. Regularly, we receive calls into the office here in Merrion Square about where someone should go to get the best insurance advice. Many people ask us about the differences between using a broker's services as opposed to going direct to an insurance company. Well, today I'd like to explain to you what we feel are the main differences and advantages to engaging a professional insurance broker. An insurance broker can save you time, money and worry. Just like an accountant or lawyer who provides professional advice based on years of training and experience, a qualified broker can do the very same for your insurance needs. When arranging insurance, many people can take shortcuts without seeking proper advice, understanding the fine print, or considering whether they are getting value for their money. Often, they are left disappointed when their insurance doesn't come to the rescue. Whether it's home, car, business or life insurance, brokers provide advice and guidance to make sure you are properly protected. Promotions on TV, radio and on websites from insurance companies often highlight the lowest possible price for insurance without explaining what the price actually does and does not cover. Using a broker doesn't necessarily cost you more. In fact, it often costs less because brokers have knowledge of the insurance market and the ability to negotiate competitive premiums on your behalf. An insurance broker's leading duty is to his or her client. An insurance broker works for you. IBA drew up a comparative document between insurance through a broker or by going direct through an insurance company, bank or building society. Briefly, I will talk you through the key points of why using a broker is the best option. A broker is not biased towards or against a particular provider and will choose the best and most suitable option for their client every time. A direct operation can only offer their product range and service, and a client takes on 100% responsibility for their own cover decisions. Brokers are interested in building customer loyalty and long-term relationships with his or her clients. Time is spent getting to know and understand all the needs of their clients to ensure adequate service. In most cases, clients will be dealing with a different person every time they contact a direct operation through a call centre, resulting in no real personal relationship or loyalty being formed. In this most important area of all, brokers will guide the consumer through the claims process and effectively manage the claim on the client's behalf, taking away that burden and stress of claims handling from the consumer. On the direct side, the consumer must handle the claims process themselves, which can be confusing and frustrating and at a disadvantage to negotiate settlements. A broker will provide the best price for the appropriate cover from the best provider every time. Value for money comes down to more than just price. Brokers' focus is on the benefits to the client. A direct setup can only provide a single price, which may not be the best product choice for the client when all factors are considered. Insurance brokers have full access to the insurance marketplace and as a result offer consumer choice. If you go direct, they can only offer you their own particular product range, which may not match your needs fully. A broker also speaks in layman's terms, as insurance is filled with jargon terms that can be confusing for many. By communicating with clients in terms that are easy to understand, it makes it easier for the consumer to make decisions on what's important for him or her. As I highlighted earlier, an insurance broker has access to a variety of insurers' products and knows the service levels of each insurer in his or her market. As such, they can compare the various product offerings and service standards and can advise on the best service provider best cover at the best rate for the most appropriate provider anytime. On the direct side, the provider can only advise on their own products, and as a result, the consumer is not getting the full picture of what is available in the marketplace. So finally, our advice would be, don't hesitate. Contact your local IBA broker today.